So, what is it?
It's only
FPV Friday.
All in unison, that was good.
Yeah, that was good. We'll do it again just to be on the rebound on that. So, it's only FPV Friday. When I hung it on that nail, it's broke the prop. So I thought in this video what I'm going to do is teach you how to fly through this window. Now with my Fighter 2, as you can see, it's just too big. If I went that way, no problem, but there's no way you can fly through that way. I'm not one of those professional FPV flyers, but there's no way you can fly through there. But just let me show you my Neo 2. If you notice, it's just wide enough to get you through that hole. So that's what today's video is about, is getting the Neo 2 through this hole without crashing. There will be some crashes, it never happens first time, but anyway, that's what this video is about. So I'm facing away from the window, only because, okay, we're just going to send the drone out. The whole idea of this tutorial, guys, is for you to get used to that circle and that cross that's right in the middle. Now I've gone up really high, and I'm just going to come back down, and we're just going to get lined up. Okay. Alright, so now you can get it now. So you need to put on those cross lines in your settings. It be in camera and it be on grid. And what we're trying to do, it's not easy. As you can see, I think the slower you go, the harder it is. So you do need to go in there a little bit. Now I'm going to see if I can do it back this way. And all it is, guys, is just moving your wrist about. Right, I think I'm a little bit low there. Now today, I've done it straight away. Will I do it again? Okay, so I'm going to skip through all that and put the first bit up. Right, where's my fucking drone gone? I've lost my drone. Oh fuck, oh. You're not going to believe this, guys. It's only stuck itself onto a nail. Hang on, I'll just check. Yeah, everything fine. Motor overload. Okay. So I won't fly for that window. I can see another video coming very soon. I'm just gonna show you. I'll just put my glasses because it's so bright here, guys. Right. When I hung it on that nail, it's broke the prop. So you heard the noise. I was interested that it didn't come up with a check your prop. But yeah, broken prop. So, another video. Anyway, main thing is having fun, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, but as always, there's going to be another video coming right sooner.